It has been wet and rainy in Northern California for, it feels like weeks, but it's probably only like a week or something. But now the sun is back out, it's drying up. I think we're gonna have some great trail conditions. I'm in Auburn with my buddy Cole, and let's get to this. It's a random Wednesday. People are out and about having fun. Nobody's got jobs anymore. I have strange memories of being out here twice on this road and seeing a mountain unicycle. Like twice. Probably the same guy. So many people ask me like, oh, you're gonna ride a hardtail. I wonder if I had like a channel that was just a full rigid mountain bike, if everybody would be like, hey, you're gonna ride a unicycle. Whoop. So I think I figured out what my problem is with my air pressure. Yeah. My Joe Blow pressure gauge, the PSI is totally off. Oh. It's like 6 PSI too high. So you're like, okay, I'll put 22 pounds of pressure in there. It's actually 16. I'm surprised I haven't had more disasters from that. Yeah. Because I finally just brought out my little air pressure gauge I used to carry with me all the time.
I got one.
And put it on there and be like, oh shit. My best guess is that like the sealant just gets in there. Yeah. Because it just it's always kind of shooting off whenever you let out air, and goddamn stands. Sealant is just one of those things where you never really know until it goes wrong. Yeah. And then you're like, oh, this sucks. You could be getting punctures like up and down all day and never know because your sealant's working perfectly. Yeah. So you got that Camelback waist pack, yeah, riding low right there.
Climbing. It's downhill, it's up here.
Okay. It's in climb mode right now.
Yeah. It's sitting loose.
Yeah. Time to turn the ankle warmers into knee pads. Oh yeah, tighten her up. No-handed tighten job. Oh, high line. Oh, rooster tail. Oh God, here we go. The darkness always scares me. Okay, we're good. Whew. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Woo, that burn was good. This is cool. Sweet. Good stuff. Yeah, still good. So you race enduro, category 1?
Yeah, I moved to Cat 1 this year.
Nice. Travel all around, probably do the California Enduro Series?
Yeah.
Sweet. Man, that's a big thing about these races. Like, I like doing the races. They're all expensive as hell, and they sell out like immediately. Yeah. So the demand is there. People love it. I kind of like just going for a ride sometimes. Oh, yeah. But I do like racing too. Nice. Whoop. Into the rut. Okay. Not the best line choice. Should have followed Cole. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. Woo. There we go. Cool. Yeah.
Stonewall.
That was cool. The current food kick, I'm on just normal trail mix. Yeah. Big old Costco bag for $12.99. This is more than enough for today.
shot of espresso. Instant caffeine.
Performance enhancing drugs. Woo. Back to climbing. Whoops. Take my eye off the trail. It's too dang pretty. Grinding it. Just full rut. Oh, nice. Woo.
Holy cow.
That was cool. Full rut. Oh, that was a deep one. Oh shit.
Ow, I kicked that. This is that spot.
The shinner. Oh yeah. Rodeo ride. Nice. This is friggin' not a good place to get off the bike. Massive rut. Oh, off camera left. Yeah. I love that kind of rock that has all the grip in the world. Okay. The kind of rock, if you touch it, it cuts you. But it gives you that confidence with your tires. Smooth as butter all of a sudden. Oh. Ride to survive. Woo. Oh man.
Holy hell.
A little near death.
Oh shit.
Get the heart beating.
Give me a second. That's probably the sketchiest I've ever been.
It would be a shame if the guy died on his birthday.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be bad.
Happy 21st birthday, by the way.
Thank you.
Hell yeah. Out on the trail. This one's called Rocky, and we're gonna climb up it. I remember doing this previously, and I remember it being pretty crazy, so we're gonna get a look at it. Holy crap. That's the trail. It's gonna be good sound effects, I know that much. That was good to take a little survey and hike up it and look down it. I'm sure it won't help me, but a couple of the spots, but it's gonna come so fast and furious. Some say too fast, too furious. Yeah. Oh, just kicking rocks everywhere. Oh, oh. There we go. All right, get back into it. Oh, I heard that. Oh, I can't.
I don't know what I went.
I know, I heard it. frame breaker.
I think that was chain ring. I
It's a mystery.
don't even know what I hit.
You'll be washing your bike at one point and be like, oh, there it is. That was so silly. Oh. We didn't gain much by looking at it. Going this way. Aw, oh, damn it. Just enough if I actually had speed.
That right side's the line.
This is, that was a comedy of chunk. Bounced in, bounced out, bounced around.
That was absolutely stupid.
We'll have to get redemption on that one.
Yeah.
Another day.
Another day. Ooh, that's cool. Man,
Oh yeah. Freezing. Whew. The one benefit of having my hair way too long right now, get it wet, just holds that moisture.
yeah.
Nice and cool. Nice. Mine was just as stylish. Oh wow, yeah.
So I hit it right here.
Uh-huh. And then it shot you over. Oh no.
Like I said, it's totally doable.
The risk versus the reward.
East side.
Nice. Gotta give it a little more gusto next time. Oh shit. Oh, this is the part I love when you start hearing the water. See that green. Great ride.
Solid.
So good. A lot of good challenges. A lot of good jank and goofiness. That's all you can ask for. So it's your birthday. We got to go eat. What's on your mind?
I don't know.
You better think of something.
Oh yeah.
So we found a pretty good Mexican joint by the freeway. It was an awesome ride today. Thanks, Cole. Happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
12 miles, 2,800 feet. That was superb. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on the trail.